Hi there, and welcome back to Cooking with Me. Have you ever made a mistake? Or maybe a Mr. Steak? Well, I don't know which one this is, but it's frozen solid. I guess I can't cook steak tonight. Or can I? Is it possible to cook a frozen steak? Some say it's even better. I guess we'll find out. I'm going to put the coals all to one side and get the temperature up to about 500 degrees. Then I'm going to put the steak on for 5 minutes per side on top of the coals. Then I'm going to move it off to the side for another 10 minutes or so and see how it looks. If it doesn't look frozen, then I'm going to eat it. Well, it looks pretty good. And the outer edges of the steak are not as charred as if it would have been thawed. So that means there's more tender meat on the inside and less of a crust on the outside. So maybe I'll start doing this from now on. Whenever the ribeyes go on sale, I'm going to be all over it and put them in the freezer. Okay, thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Me. I've been me, and I hope that you've been you. Till next time.
Cooking with me, cooking with me, doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.